we will try to refresh plastic trim on the van. On the beginning I will try this thing on the worst plastic from the back doors. When the plastic became warmer, it starts change the color faster. I think all this idea is about melting thin layer of the plastic on the top. Of course, we cannot remove scratches, stains from the paint or something like that. I'm in stupid place. It means like I have sun from the light from the wrong side. I have to change the direction, it will be better. Oh yeah, right now I see what I'm doing. I'm not pretty sure, but at this moment I'm thinking so this a bit diagonal is better. What I think, I will leave it for cooling because it's right now quite hot, and do it once again. We take a look, it's better or not. Okay, let's try to do again, and we take a look if results are better. It's a bit harder because I not see if the color are changed or not, so it's definitely first time was much easier. I still this is still kind of experiment on the worst plastic on the van. Like I said earlier, is not such a perfect like painting, but it's much faster and probably cheaper. Okay, and it's comparison between refreshed and faded plastic. It's a short job and looks much better. Of course, it's not perfect. It's not such a perfect like painting, but of course the cost will be less and mess will be less. Probably we can do it after this try, and also we can do it on the car body, so will be much better. And of course this was also very discolored like that, so it's not, maybe after like a few tries I can get better results, but anyway, difference are